Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into your Lloyds Bank account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video, and then you can log into your bank account as well. First of all, you just have to open up your Google browser and then go into your search bar and just type for Lloyds Bank login and hit on enter. After you do so, many results will pop up on your screen. Click on the first link that shows up, and here this will take you to the official website of Lloyds Bank. And here on the top right corner of your screen you can see a login button. Just tap on log on, and after doing so this small pop-up will be on your screen. Here select the type of account you want to log in into and just hover over your mouse, then tap on it. Now after doing so you'll be transported to a different page. Here now you need to input your personal details to log into your bank account. Here, just input your user ID and passport, but in case you forgot your logon details, you can use this button, forgotten your logon details below, to help you reset and retrieve it. And if you're using a private computer, you can tick this box for remember my user ID for easier access next time, but I would not recommend doing so if you're using a public computer. Now after putting on your credentials, just tap on continue and then you'll be logged in into your Lloyds Bank account. And that's how you can log in into your Lloyds Bank account. This is much for this video, and I hope you guys find the video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.